Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to add fractions with like denominators. Now, like denominators just means we have fractions with the same denominator. Let's jump into number 1, where we have 4/8 plus 3/8. We can see that we have like denominators here, that same denominator of 8. Now, whenever we are adding fractions and we have like denominators, all we need to do is add the numerators, the top numbers, and then we keep the denominator the same. That will give us our answer. And once we have that answer, we can look to simplify it if possible, if needed. So for number 1, let's start by adding those numerators. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. And then we keep that denominator of 8 the same. And we get 7/8. That's our answer. Now let's look to see if we can simplify 7/8. The only common factor between 7 and 8 is 1. So the only number that we can divide both 7 and 8 by is 1. That means we are in simplest form here, and we are done. So 4/8 plus 3/8 equals 7/8. Moving on to number 2, we have 13/15 plus 11/15. So we have that like denominator of 15, that same denominator of 15. And since we have like denominators, we can go ahead and add the numerators. 13 plus 11 gives us 24. And then we keep that denominator of 15 the same. So we end up with 24/15. Now this is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. We have more than one whole here. So let's convert this to a mixed number. Remember, we do that by dividing the numerator by the denominator, the top divided by the bottom. So 24 divided by 15. How many 15s in 24? Well, 1 whole 15. So that's our whole number of our mixed number. 1 whole 15 gets us to 15 out of that 24. So what's our remainder? What's left? Well, 9. That's the numerator of our fractional part of the mixed number. And then we keep that denominator of 15 the same. So we get 1 and 9/15, which this is correct. We have the correct mixed number here, but we can actually simplify the fractional part here. We have a greatest common factor of 3 that we can divide both 9 and 15 by. So let's divide 9 and 15 by 3 in order to simplify. We keep our whole number the same, so 1, and then we have 9 divided by 3. That gives us 3, and then 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. The only common factor between 3 and 5 is 1, so 3/5 is in simplest form. We are done. Our final simplified answer, 1 and 3/5. Now I do want to go back to how we converted 24/15 to 1 and 9/15. Again, we divided the numerator, 24, by 15. 24 divided by 15. Well, how many 15s in 24? Well, 1. And that 1 is our whole number of our mixed number. 1 times 15 is 15. 24 minus 15 gives us 9. So we get a remainder of 9. That remainder of 9 is the numerator of our fractional part of the mixed number. And then we keep that denominator of 15 the same. So there you have it. There's how to add fractions with like denominators. So whenever we are adding fractions and we see like denominators, we can just add the numerators. Then we keep the denominator the same. That will give us our answer. And once we have our answer, we can look to simplify. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.